As for the optional tab, if there are any additional attributes to the physical chemical properties apart from those in this additional tab, you may add them here. For example, I wish to add surface tension. So I will search here and I'll pull the phrase here and click save. I'll click save again. And now I will click here to enter the data. I'll click here as well. And before that, you can search under wiki. I'm searching for ethanol because it's the primary ingredient. I will run through here. I will click surface tension here. And the data is 56.4. I'll close all this. I'll click here and I'll enter here 56.4. And I will put the ethanol since it's the data of the primary ingredient. I'll click save and save again. The data inserted here will be reflected in section 9 of the SDS.